Welcome back to another video by Chelly the Content, brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a awesome tumbler, glass tumbler. Now, you know, we have done this in the past, but we are actually going to be doing it with our new UVDTF. So, in the other
Okay, that was funny.
Right.
Yes, in our other video, we just filmed on Flash Custom Transfers. As you guys noticed, this is the previous wrap we used. I just recreated it with our new and improved UVDTF. We have new film, new ink, new printer, new everything. It is dishwasher safe, so we're really excited to show you guys. And we're just gonna do a quick video rewrapping our 16-ounce glass tumblers. Yes. And we got these on Amazon, and Carl will put the link in the description. It comes with four glasses, 4 lids, 4 straws, 2 brushes. So I think this was under $20, not too bad. Let's see what we're gonna do. So these, I already did that one, so we're gonna put that over there, and then we're gonna use this one. First thing you wanna do is clean your surfaces. So if you can see here, this is Flash UV. Flash UV can go on anything with a hard surface. Our UVDTF is for apparel. Flash UV.
Whoa. Our UVDTF.
Oh, sorry. Our regular DTF is for apparel. Our Flash UV is for hard surfaces. Why are you acting like that?
Why are you being mean to me?
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we actually had our wrap here. So this is a 22 by 12. Yes, 22 by 12, which are $19.99 and $16.99 if you are a member. We also offer 22 by 24 in our Flash UV. If you need something bigger, if you need a custom order, please contact us and we can definitely give you a quote for something other than 22 by 12 or 22 by 24. So let's go ahead and cut this. As you guys know, with Flash UV, cut, press, and apply. There's no weeding, there's no any of that drama that you had to have with permanent vinyl that gave us all a headache. You needed transfer tape, you needed to weed it, you needed all of these things. And if you did have all those things and you messed up applying, it was just so much drama. It gave me a headache. So this is the wrap, straight out of content. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already.
Look at the detail. I just want to show the detail. Let's get some light. And you can feel it. That's what I love about.
Yes, it is like a 3D vinyl. People are calling it like a 3D vinyl type of thing, but if you see, it is raised. Can you see the raising in each one of these letters? So you can definitely feel the volleyball, feel the girl, feel the name, feel every single letter. So it's really cool. It's just that gives it that unique raise, that
unique raised touch.
Feeling that permanent vinyl can't give you.
Facts.
So let's go ahead.
Permanent vinyl definitely cannot give you the durability that our new UVDTF can.
For sure. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it on its back, on its front. Give it a good press just so it can adhere to the film, the transfer film, before we press it. Go ahead and peel it. Should we do our hack? I don't think that hack worked out.
You don't like it?
Well, I think it might do it because the other one was so many small.
Right.
So I'm just gonna do a quick hack. First thing I'm gonna do is just cut off a little bit of the paper. And we've transitioned into clear backing and clear film. I don't have an example of it now, but it looks so much more modern and just appealing aesthetically. So let's go ahead. I just cut a piece here so I can find a good alignment.
It's not upside down?
What?
The logo?
No.
Okay.
But if you can just hold that for me.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, we're gonna apply it right here. So all you do is apply it and press. So it just kind of gives you a good base on where to start and how to start. So we're just gonna go around.
Chelly's getting good.
Mm-hmm. You know what they say.
Practice makes perfect.
That's what I tell my buckets. Turn. Oh, slow down. Turn. Just to press. You could use a squeegee, but for the smaller details, your finger really can do the trick. So let's go, around. Bend me, Big Papa.
I got you.
like
Let's look at this. All this already. So I have a 49ers one. Now I got a Straight Outta Content one. Chelly got two of the same.
Yeah. Oh, this one's going up a little bit.
It's okay. It's just for us.
Hold the top.
I'm gonna take a.
That look good?
Mm-hmm. Let's just not move.
Hold on, let me get my shirt.
Oh, it's a little crooked.
I just said that.
It's okay.
And then you said it was okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Because at this point, if you wanted to, you could cut it. And again, we are not
Appliers, we're suppliers. So everyone who does this for a living or professional, please don't be so cringe at me because I'm just doing my best out here in these streets.
I'm trying to film with one hand and hold it with the other. You got it?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down.
Lay your head down.
All right, let's go ahead and peel it up. So once you, I'm sorry, it's crooked.
It's okay.
You lay on your desired area, you just peel up.
That's what husbands get.
They get what?
Crooked.
That's not nice. You don't. Excuse me. Oh yeah. That first rub around, and sometimes like if you have very thin lines like this one, you may have to kind of repress it while it's lifting. But these are kind of solid, so you don't really have to worry about that.
Ooh, you can feel this one. Oh, that's where it...
Oh, look, see that one came up?
Oh, okay.
So you just give it a little press, and then you're back in business.
Mm-hmm.
Can I use your cup?
Yeah, of course. It's for the house. It's not, but it's... I'll say it for camera.
All right, Mr. Straight Outta, and then this is disposable. You just get rid of those. There's no need to keep that.
Look at that, minus the crooked. That's okay.
Mine's crooked too.
Listen, it's all about the thought that counts.
Up to your discretion.
Yes, please. Again, we are not appliers, we are suppliers. So look at that. That's beautiful though. I'm glad. I can't
Is
wait.
it?
Yeah. I got a 49ers and a Straight Outta Content. I'm locked and loaded.
You're locked and loaded.
That's
Here we
all
go. So yes, if you have any questions about our Flash UV, please contact us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, or you can visit us online at flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, we do have a $8.99 membership to get all of these things at a discounted price, expedited shipping. We do offer, of course, our UV DTF as well as our regular DTF, which are discounted with the memberships as well. We do offer rush options. If you do need to meet a deadline, we can have something printed and shipped as soon as the next day. We do vector your images. If your artwork is low resolution, we can help you vector those as well. We do have an in-house graphic designer that is ready to help you with any of those things. We can help you set up your gang sheet if you are not able to do that. So we have an extremely amount of amazing services to help you here at Flash Custom Transfers. So please contact us if you are interested, and enjoy our new Flash UV DTF. See you next time. Bye.